this video will be helpful. This will be stopping bar chewing. What you're going to need is you're going to need a paper towel. You're going to need some oil. This is a treat that, not a treat, it's the complete opposite from a treat. It's a prevention for your hamsters to stop them from bar chewing. They hate the taste of olive oil. So what you'll need is you'll need some olive oil and a paper towel. And you're going to take your paper towel and you're going to fold it like this. You're going to put it over the lid of your little thing, and you're going to put a little bit of oil on it so it soaks up into the napkin. And just do that. And just do that. And you're going to have a oily napkin right now. And my hamster has been learning a horrible thing. He's been chewing his bars. So I'm going to be showing you what happens when I feed him this. Not feed him. When I do this prevention. Well, this is my hamster right now. He's chewing on his bars. I caught him at his chew time. And he chews around 8 o'clock. And he doesn't stop until about 11 o'clock. So that's about 3 hours of bar chewing, because I've been up till 11 and that's what he does. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove your hamster from the cage since they're chewing, and you're going to put them in something. So I'll be putting my hamster in a ball. And come on. Come in with me. No. Come on with Mama. Bar chewing's gonna stop. Harmony, quit it. You can't walk on a ball. Okay, well he's in his ball right now, so I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to watch him. But since my ball is broken, I have to put tape on it. So, yeah, just remove your hamster from the cage and get your cage set up so you can reach the main chewing point. Your chewing point is where your hamster mainly chews or chews the most, or just a skull cage, like mine. He chews mainly everything. Yeah. So I'm going to put him and let him roll around in his ball. So this is his cage, and show you what I do. And you're going to take your thing and you're going to grease the bars where they chew on the outside and on the inside. You can get to the door. And you're going to want to do this a lot, because your hamsters will start chewing from other spots. And we're going to do this until you can obviously see a little bit of oil. Yeah. Now I don't know if you saw, but now it looks kind of greasy. A little bit. And you're going to just take your hamster out of your cage. And you saw my hamster was up on the bars chewing. And this might backfire by your hamster chewing, rubbing himself in the oil to just make a point, which has happened. So they will see. You can see he's chewing, but look, he doesn't want to chew anymore. Like, oh my god, what should I chew on? If this doesn't work, you can result in buying them chew toys. Chew toys are a great alternative if your hamster does not work with the oil. Another thing, your hamsters do need about 160 square footed, well, 160 centimeters. Inches, 160 inches of floor space. Not 160 centimeters. 160 centimeters of floor space for your cage. So your hamsters do need that, and it might be a result in boredom, which is a main cause of bar chewing. My hamster has a very, very small cage, and I will be updating it very, very soon once I get my allowance. I will be updating it because I am saving up to buy him a bigger cage. So yeah. Another thing that I want to show you is, if you did not know, I have mice. I have 2 mice. I caught him in a good spot. This is Oreo, and in there she's coming out. That is Cupcake. So I have Cupcake and Oreo. Oreo's at the top and Cupcake is on the bottom. There is the Oreo, the black and white one. Her name is Oreo, and she is a short-haired fancy mouse. And in the bottom is Cupcake, and she is a long-haired fancy mouse. And they are only about 8 months old. Not even 8. They're about 6 months old, and they're really young. And they're just the cutest things ever. See, they climb up there, and that's where they sleep. So yeah, that's my mice, and I will be doing a couple mice videos in between, also some cat treats and some dog treats, because these are all a pet video on what I feed my mice and everything, and my hamsters and everything. It's a variety of things. So thanks for watching. Bye.